Wow, negosyante.
Ito magaling umalit dito. Yung ulo ni Rogelio.
Yeah, guys, we're going to Resorts World. Yeah.
Ito tayo sa Nepal.
Guys, we're here at Resorts World. So I'm with Direct to the Fall. Ayan, and then Sir Ryan Bonita. So alam niyo na, you know the drill. I'm going to be camera woman. Charot. So ayun, anyway naka-front tayo kaya medyo na ano tayo sa ano natin sa ating, ano tawag dito? Sa ating camera. This is our OOTD for today. Ayan. Mga kagalang-galang. So, let's go! Ayan. Direct! Guys, we're here! Guys, I think we're here. Yeah. This is it, eh? So ayan guys, we have tickets here. Hello, oh my god! Hi! Ako na nga hawakan ko yung camera mo. I-camera kita. Okay lang. So guys, ang daming artista dito. Ticket here and makita nyo naman kanina, nakapagpapicture tayo. Na-starstruck ako guys. Sobrang dami ko pang makikita dito mamaya. Excited ako. So, ayan. So, ayan guys. Direct, let's go. The artist. Oh my god. Resorts World Manila.
You know, Tessa, it's such a lovely evening tonight as we're surrounded by stars. Pero Tessa, hindi stars sa langit ang ibig sabihin.
Of course.
Stars of the Philippine music industry. Hello, everybody. We hope you're all doing great.
And speaking of stars, let us thank our performing artists for the by JV Descana.
Everyone, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Kami po ang PMPC, ang lahat na po ay kami po ay nandito ngayon dahil sa 13 Star Awards for Music. Kami po ay mga kasabi ng PMPC ay labis na nagagalak po sa inyo at muli po kanina sa katuparan ang pagbabalik ng Star Awards for Music. Sa pagiging live on stage sa loob ng dalawang nakaraang taon, napigil ang PMPC na magtanghal na nakasama Awards for Music ng live dito sa Newport Theater. Ngayong gabi po, kaya ako ay masayang-masaya kasama ang aking kapwa miyembro ng PMPC. Hindi ko masabi na nagbabalik ang OPM ngayong gabi. Hindi po. Ito ay dahil na din sa dahilan na hindi naman nawala ang OPM. Diba? At ang Star Awards for Music, hindi din tayo humina at mas lalong hindi tayo nasira. Hindi nawala ang uporta sa industriya ng musikang Pilipino. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat at naway magustuhan nyo ang aming palabas ngayong gabi. Salamat po ng madami. Thank you very much.
Maraming salamat, President of PMPC, Mr. Fernando Guzman. Palakpakan naman natin ulit sa Mr.
And their fantastic team.
Alam mo siguro na tayo. Often funny, the novelty song usually gets its inspiration from popular culture or current trends. Above all, the novelty song is highly entertaining. Let us call on
The nominees for the 2022 Novelty Song of the Year are the following. Bawal Lumabas, Kim Chu, Star Music. Corona Bye Bye Na, Vice Ganda, Star Music. Diyosa ng Kaseksihan, Cool Cat Ash, Viva Records. GGSS, Iday Ong, Benny Saturno Music Corporation. Lumaban Ka, Jerry Escobar, Ivory Music. Nang minahal mo ang mahal ko, Bentong Sumaya, GMA Music. Sabi ko na ba? Hannah Priscilla, GMA Music.
And the winner for the 13th Star Awards Novelty Song of the Year is Bawal Lumabas, Kim Chu, Star Music.
lumabas.
that was the height ng
Correct.
pandemic talaga.
Pero pwede tayo lumabas.
Diba?
Thank
Well,
you.
on behalf of Kim Chu, we, Tessa and I would like to accept the award.
And give her speech. Thank you for voting for me. And not to Bawal Lumabas by Kim Chu. We're bagging the Novelty Song of the Year. Moving on, the next award is the Novelty Artist of the Year. This is given to the artist that has created and performed novelty songs that made an impact in Filipino audiences. Oh, that song, I love it.
And to present the award for Novelty Song of the Year and Novelty Artist of the Year is Miss Beth Helena. The nominees for Novelty Artists of the Year are
Hello, Beth. How you doing? Well, this is live, you know. We're taped this live, by the way.
Okay lang yan, take this like
So, you know, we are actually airing on
when are we?
November 12.
Yeah, so meron tayong tinatawag na cure. Ito yung curing.
Okay,
lang
here
yun.
we go.
Ganun talaga pag
Yes, exactly.
Yes,
Right.
Sige lang. It's okay.
Wait lang. We're fine. Are they gonna pass around popcorn or sleep? We hope. Oh, Beth just exercising. She's going back and forth. Because you know, you have to exercise, at least 20 minutes a day. Well, since we're on downtime, I'd like to thank my makeup artist. He just put makeup on me. Thank you so much to all the wonderful and to RS.
Above all, the novelty song is highly entertaining. To present the award, we will call on Beth Helena from PMPC.
The nominees for the 2020. The nominees for R&B Album of the Year is Better Weather. Okay, sorry. Can we repeat that? Layla. The nominees for R&B Album of the Year are Better Weather by Layla Alcacid, Star Music. Init ng Gabi by Brian, Star Music. Chansa by J. Chris, Universal Records. Great job, and she's still
And
waiting she's still
maybe-
waiting for Better Weather.
Yes. Maybe just-
Congratulations to Better Weather, to Layla Alcacid, for winning the R&B Album of the Year. Up next, it's time to call on the nominees for the 2022 Male R&B Artist of the Year. This award goes to the most influential Pinoy male R&B artist for the past year. To present the award, may we call on Romel
Placenta.
Placente.
Ivory Music.
And the 13 Star Awards for Music winner for Male R&B Artist of the Year is Congratulations! Wow!
Congratulations.
May nag-receive.
Thank you so much. I don't really know what to say. Hindi talaga ako prepared, but thank you to my family right over there, and of course, sino pa ba? Si Mads and Tita Grace, ayan, na sila nandiyan, and of course the PMPC. Thank you so much for this, and Lord, thank you so much. Totoo talaga na pag may tiyaga ka, tsaka may tiwala ka talaga kay Lord, talagang ando dun talaga eh. Hindi ka dapat tititaw talaga sa Kanya. And ito na yun. Thank you so much for saying. Congratulations, sir.
Here's the restroom. Ayan, ito yung restroom nila. Super high ceiling, tapos ganyan lang naman siya. So normal, unlike yung pinuntahan natin before, na nagpunta tayo sa, saan tayo nagpunta nun? Nagpunta tayo ng, what you call it? Yung ano, yung, Conrad. So, ayan. Alright, so that's the CR here. Wala lang, binlog ko lang kasi nag-restroom ako. So, ayan. I hope you enjoyed this video. Anyway, guys, hello everyone! Welcome back again sa ating YouTube channel. So, ayan, yun na ulit tayo nakapag-vlog. Actually, weekly vlog tayo. Pinipilit natin mag-vlog as much as possible. And I'm so thankful kahit pa paano may mga nakakontent tayo. And I hope, guys, you enjoyed this video, you entertained, then ayun, nandito kami sa isang Star Night Awards sa mga artists, and sinama lang kami dito ni Direct to the Paul, and yun kasama ko si Direct to the Paul, tsaka si Sir Ryan, yung boss ko sa Sabon Factory, which is may channel din siya, and papalog ko yung mga channel nila dyan para makita nyo. So ayun guys, please, kung di pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe, and yun, and hit nyo rin yung notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga vlogs. And yeah, or just enjoy the moment here, and I hope you enjoy this video too. So ayun guys, later again. So enjoy nyo lang. Papakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga ginagawa-gawa namin dito. Oh my god guys, Juan Carlos is here, yung kumanta ng buwan. So oh my god, nasa may talk siya ng personal. So hanapin natin yung journal kasi kami nakupo dito. Ayun na, oh my god guys, I'm a fangirl here, char. Anyway, I'm looking for, ayan, nakita ko sila. So yeah, buwan sa ilalim ng puting ilaw, charot. So anyways, oh my god, oh my god guys, he's here. Oh yeah, gusto ko magpa-picture sa kanya later. I hope makapagpa-picture ako sa kanya. Sir, bawal yung food dito sa loob. Yes, bawal. Meron mo na boses niya. Funny.
Salamat for inviting us here at gusto ko lang humingi ng pasigagang palakpakan para sa akin na kasama ko sa stage. Robert Sir Mr. Sililia, palakpakan! And on bass guitar, Sir Ira Cruz, palakpakan! So itong next song na naman, actually last song, first time namin ito tutugtugin. So, please bear with us.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Alam mo, nakita ko siya dito. Alam mo ba, idol ko talaga. Galing niya kasi yung ano eh. Ang galing niyang laruin yung boses niya. Ganda-ganda.
Kahit iniwan mo ako, baby, araw-araw kang nasa isip ko. Kahit hapdi o kahit hapdi, simula na wala ka. Ako'y umiiyak, magdamag sa tayo nakikijay. Grabe. It's so great to get back to live performances where you can experience the magic of OPM music. For our audience members who beautifully stay at home throughout the pandemic, maybe now can be a good time to support the local artists. Make sure lang na vaccinated na po tayo, ha? And that we still observe health and safety protocols.
The first exposure I had to OPM was when I was in middle school, and I had a bunch of Filipino friends in America who just shared their love of their music. I rediscovered OPM through,
guys, makdo lang tayo for today's video. Ayan, treat tayo ni boss. Hintayin natin yung order natin. Sa akin, ha? Anong number na po? So, ayan guys. So, ayan. We're just waiting our order. Medyo alam nyo, ngayon na lang ulit ako nag-vlog ng nakaharap yung mata ko sa screen. Kasi usually pag nag-vlog ako, tapos gamit natin yung Android. Yung mata natin is always nakapokus dun sa back cam, which is the lens. But as of now kasi, I'm using my new phone, yung iPhone. Yes, so, napanood nyo naman siguro yung last vlog natin with Miss Kim. So, this is it, guys. So, that's why I'm using this front cam kasi ang ganda ng camera niya kahit nasa harap. Then, medyo na ano ako kasi because of the screen. So, pero pag sa back ako nakatingin, as usual, wala tayong ibang titignan kundi ang lens. So, guys, siguro next time I will make a video kung how to vlog, lalo na sa mga nagsisimula pa lang, para maituro natin yung mga tamang procedure. So, just waiting our order lang. So, ayan. And, hintayin na lang natin. Tapos yun, kakain na tayo. Yun yung bag.
Ano pong bag?
Yung ganyan, McDo.
Pag ano po? Pag umabot po ng 200 pesos po yung bill.
Wait,
Yung order po.
libre yan?
Hindi po. May bayad po siya ng 150 pesos.
150, ano ba yan? Kala ko naman pag umabot ng 200 ko talaga. Anyway, yun na nga. Ganun pala yun kasi may nakasakay ako sa jeep. Ganyan yung bag niya. So, sabi ko parang maganda yung ganito eh. Wala pag mga mas swimming yan, kasya dyan yung mga damit mo. So, ayos din. Diba? Thank you, kuya. Thank you sa info. Ayan, at least guys, alam nyo na, pag gusto nyo ng ganyang bag, mag-purchase lang kayo ng worth 200. Kami naka 200 na kami. Pero,
na po siya
kaso magbabayad ako 150, no? Pero pwede na rin guys kasi kung pag binili siya ng walang purchase, magkano? Hindi pwede.
Kailangan worth 200 pesos.
Tapos 150 yan. Pwede na rin, no? Sulit na rin. Limited edition lang yan. Okay, sige. Salamat. Ito na yung order natin. Ito yung order natin. Ito yung order natin. Okay lang. Hindi naman pakalikutom na. So, ayan. Excited na. Sinong gusto? Guys, the event is over. Tapos na. May mga artist tayo nakikita dito. Ayan. Well, mga local. Hindi ko sila masyadong kilala. So, ayan. Alright. Ito pa rin tayo. And with Direct. Ayan. Panoorin niyo yung bagong movie ni Direct. The Pink Sunset. So, ayan. Panoorin nyo, ha, guys. Ayan. So, alright. Oh my God, guys. Ogie Alcacid is here.
Hi, guys. You're my idol talaga. Always yan, kuya. You know that.
You both are my idols. Good evening, everybody. Hi, Pilar. Happy birthday. Maraming salamat. I really wanted to come tonight kasi matagal ko na kayo hindi nakikita. And for the very first time, face to face. You know this song that I collab with Moira? It's a song that I wrote during the pandemic. And I felt maybe I should write a song that could uplift. Thank you. Thank you. I love you too. We love you. Thank you. Sana meron pa. Bye-bye.
Congratulations, Mr. Ogie Alcacid. Oh, grabe. Well, actually, our next category.
It's also congratulations to all the production.
Together Again from Star Media Entertainment, DSL, and Soler. Unified from Viva Live Incorporated.
Taos puso po ako nagpapasalamat sa Star Awards for Music.
Oh my God, guys.
Para po sa karangalan nito. At syempre, ito po ay inihahandog ko sa buong pamilya ko. Nag-thank you din po ako sa Viva to produce the show and iMusic. I would also like to share this award with Sara Geronimo, who's my co-partner in the concert, our director, Paolo Valenciano, and the staff and the rest of the gang na bumuo po ng Unified. At syempre sa lahat po ng mga nanood, maraming salamat po. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, Regine. What a star-studded night.
Yes,
Tessa.
it is.
Grabe. Anyway, try ko muna mag-focus kasi.
But despite that, you know, we tried to entertain people. And so to receive an award for that is really heartwarming. Maraming salamat talaga. I hope to continue what I do. In fact, like, at the end of the month, nandito na naman po ako, magko-concert kami ni Ian ulit. Kilabo Tito, so I hope you get to watch that one. Thank you so much. God bless you all. I love you. And it's so great to see you all. Love you guys. Thank you.
We love you, Ogie.
We love you, Ogie.
Oh my God.
Taos puso po ulit ako nagpapasalamat sa PMPC Star Awards for Music para po sa karangalan ito. Hindi po mabubuo yung Unified kung wala akong ka-Unified. So, gusto kong i-share ang award na ito at syempre i-congratulate na rin si Sara Geronimo. Congratulations, and this is for you, Sarah. And again, thank you to Viva Concert and iMusic for producing this, the whole staff, the crew, everyone na naging bahagi po ng Unified. It was such a
Congratulations, bro.
Thank you so much. PMPC, maraming salamat po. I share this award with Inigo Pascual, who can't be here tonight. We actually share this label. We actually share label, Star Music, Karshi Records. Maraming salamat. And of course, this song, my song, Love You Better, couldn't have been what it is if it wasn't for our producer, Moves, Chris Lopez. I share this award with you as well. Without you, it wouldn't be what it is. So thank you again, PMPC Star Awards for Music. More power to you.
We love you too, Sam.
Congrats, Sam.
Dito naman tayo sa female division ng Pop Artist of the Year. It takes a special kind of talent para, makita ng...
From the very beginning of my career, ramdam ko talaga yung suporta niyo and appreciate to continue touching people in different ways. And this is something that I'm going to do for life. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po.
The special awards also notes special talents.
Excited ako dito.
Sobra.
Diba? Alright, let's start with the first trophy. Our initial special award is the Wow Fiesta Hitmaker of the Year Award. This is given to the... In particular, the panel was captivated by Maymai's wow performance of the hit song, Ama Kabugera.
May pamic ka.
Unang-una po, gusto ko lang po pasalamatan po pala ang Wow Fiesta at ang PMPC Star Awards po for music. Maraming salamat po sa pinakaunang award po ng Ama Kabugera. Thank you po. Siyempre po, inaalay ito talaga sa Panginoon po talaga kasi siya po talaga nagbigay po ng lakas sa akin po talaga at desidido po na ipurso ko po yung musika. Yung totoo po, natuto na po talaga akong kumanta po last year lang po pala. Talaga,
oh my God!
Happy first anniversary sa atin, Coach Jade Richo. Siya po yung voice coach ko. Talagang pinag-aralan at pinagsipagan po talaga namin po. At talagang na-realize ko noon po talaga, wala po talagang mahadlang po, no? Sa kung ano yung gusto po natin kapag alam mo pinag-aralan po. At gusto ko po ipasalamatan po ang Star Music, Star Pop Family, Yumi As, at composers po ng Ama Kabugera dahil po sa tiwala po na binigay niyo po na may bahagi po itong OPM Ama Kabugera po dito sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo po. Maraming salamat po. Thank you po.
I love her.
Congratulations to our first special awards winner, Maymay Entrata. Maybe we'll get to witness that wow performance soon enough.
Love you!
Okay. Maraming salamat sa PMPC Star Awards for Music for this recognition. I mean, I'm accepting this award, I guess not for me. Kasi I don't make music for the purpose of things and awards and recognition. I make music because I like making music. I love making music. But I'm accepting this award for the recognition of all the people that I have worked with who have the same love and passion for music that I do.
Grabe.
Yung mga tao na sila yung dahilan ng bago ko dito ako sa kanasan naman ako. So para sa kanila to, maraming salamat po PMPC and bubuhay ang musikang Pilipino.
Congratulations to J.K. Labajo for winning the All-Around Artist and Frontman recognition and appearing in movies and television.
Due to several shows that he's doing right now in Jakarta, Indonesia, we would like to thank, of course, PMPC Star Awards for you.
Gentlemen, Mr. Ding Dong Avansado. Mr. Ding Dong Avansado from the hit Tatlong 25 back in 1987, which referred to the cost of a phone call. Ding Dong has transformed an OPM icon over the years. He's active in various showbiz fields such as acting, hosting, and directing concerts. In between, he finds time to serve the people as a public official.
Ano ba? Wow, what can I say? Alam nyo, una-una pag ganito ng mga recognition na natatanggap mo, sila ibig sabihin nun, tumatanda ka na. Kaya aminado naman ako, okay lang naman. Pero gusto ko lang pong magpasalamat, gustong pasasalamat po sa lahat ng bumubuo ng PMPC Star Awards for this very distinguished recognition. Ito lang po, hindi ko talaga akalain na makakatanggap ako ng ganitong award. But let me just say, gusto kong pasalamatan yung mga taong unang naniwala sa akin. Kasi 35 years yan, medyo may oras pa ba tayo? Yung unang-una sa lahat yung nakadiscover sa akin, si Miss Roxanne Lapus. Siya ang unang maniwala sa akin. Papasalamatan ko rin ng mga record labels na unang tumaya sa akin. Ang Dyna Records, ang Pop to Arts, ang Infinity Music na ngayon, GMA Records na, ang Universal Records, at siyempre ang Star Music. Sa kanila po, taus-puso po ako nagpapasalamat dahil through the years sila po ang naghatid ng aking mga likha, ang aking music sa publiko na tinangkilik naman po. Nagpapasalamat din po ako sa lahat po ng mga kasamahan ko sa industriya. Yung mga nandito ngayon at yung wala po dito. Yung mga taong talagang nagbigay inspirasyon sa akin magmula pa po nung bata ako na nangarap po na maging isang entertainer, maging isang recording artist. Isang tao po na gusto kong banggitin ay walang iba po kundi si Ginoong Rico J. Puno. Siya pong unang artist na pinangkilik at hinangaan ko. Nasabi ko, pag nakita ko siya, sabi ko, pwede din pala akong maging performer. At the rest is history. Siyempre, pinapasalamatan ko rin ang aking pamilya, ang aking asawa. Ang mahal kong asawa na si Jessa. Na talagang the wind beneath my wings. Thank you so much, honey, for all that you do for me and for our family. And of course, my daughter, Jada, who I also congratulate.
Grabe, ang ganda ng anak.
Medyo, pasensya na po, ano ko ay, pag sinabing lifetime achievement, ang dami pong dumadaan sa isip eh. May magtanong po sa akin before, ano daw po ang sikreto para mag-last sa business ng longevity. And I think it's a good time to mention it here. There are 3 things that I remember most when it comes to, trying to stay long in the business. The first one is loving what you do. Because if you love what you do, you will never feel that this is a job. And for me, I always say that. I always love that. I never work a day in my life because I love what I do. Second is learn to value the people you work with. Maski malaki man o maliit na tao, those people that you've come across with, God allowed that to happen for a purpose, for a reason. And learn from those experiences because they will take you very far. And the third most important thing is always be grateful.
Yes.
Because you know what? Being grateful makes you become humble. And when you are humble, that's when all the blessings come in. People ba? And when you're humble, that's when you can see life from a different perspective. And you value each day. Let's learn to value each day. Because sabi nga, there's nothing like the present. Diba? Every day is a gift.
Amen.
And I'd like to end with this. For me, 35 years, parang hindi ko akalain na I would last in this business ng ganun katagal. And I just feel so blessed. Dahil sa industriya nito, nakilala ako. Dahil sa industriya nito, natupad ko ang mga pangarap ko. Dahil sa industriya nito, sa music industry, nakilala ko ang asawa ko. Nagkapamilya ako. Naitaguyod ko ang pamilya ko. At patuloy kong itinataguyod. At higit sa lahat, and for me, which is most important of all, and I remember this, for me, it was never about making it big. It was about making it last. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay po tayong lahat.
Congratulations, Mr. Dingdong Avanzado. Third Miss Universe Japan 2020, second runner-up, who is now an esteemed AQ Prime asset and lead star of the much talked about film Pula Ang Kulay ng Gabi, the lovely Yana Fuentes.
We'd also like to call on Steve CPA lawyer and main man of the trending online segment, Ayon Sabatas. He's also the CEO and founder of the hottest and much talked about AQ Prime streaming app and director caught by AQ, the brilliant and admirable attorney Aldwin Alegre.
AQ Music royalty is Miss Regine Velasquez.
This concludes our segment for special awards here at the 13th PMPC Star Awards for Music. Before we proceed with the next batch of awards, we prepared a very special number for all of you. The next performance can help give you a better idea of what PMPC Star Awards for Music winner can do.
Guys, so ayan, tapos na kami dun sa pinuntahan namin, as you can see. So ang daming artist, sobrang nakaka-amaze. Like, ngayon ko lang nakita personal si Regine, si Ogie Alcacid, Maymay, and also syempre Sam Concepcion, nagpicture kami. And syempre the one and only Juan Carlos. So sobrang love ko dahil yung music niya is sobrang the best talaga. Like, oh my god, like Juan, oh my god, I'm so happy talaga to experience this moment. So ayun guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and kung di pa kayo nakakapag-subscribe, please don't forget to subscribe below and hit nyo na rin yung notification bell para lagi kayo updated sa aking mga vlogs. Bye! See you on our next vlog. Bye!